I'm a certified strength and conditioning specialist and a personal trainer here for Recreation Services. We've just gotten some new equipment at the Active Living Center, and so we wanted to kind of show you guys how it works, what it's good for, and how to use it. So let's get into it. This is our TBar Row. It's a good substitute for any exercise that you see any of the machines that say the word row on them. Primarily, we're using our back as well as our biceps for this movement. The main thing we're going to adjust here is the height of how tall we are when we're on the machine itself. So in order to move it, you have to unscrew it, pull this little lever up, and push it in. So once that's adjusted, we're just gonna tighten it up and get ready to go. So we are going to lay down on this pad here, making sure that our feet are about hip width apart. Once we're comfortable in this position here, we're going to grab onto either these handles or the neutral grip handles, making sure that our shoulders are back, everything's nice and stabilized. We're going to pull the bar up, and this is going to be our resting position. So then we just start to bring the weight down until our elbows are extended. Pull nice and tight, keeping the elbows in. And you should feel that retraction, that tightness in your upper back. Coming back down and repeating that for as many reps necessary for your program. When you're done, we're just gonna put it back on one of these guys. Take your break. Thanks for watching the video about the TBar Row. If you ever have any questions, you can always ask the fitness attendants who wear the blue shirts, and we'll see you on the next one.